Okay, go walk. Okay,
Emily, listen.
Emily, listen, he says.
Yeah. The elevator.
Let's sing.
They could do the jingle.
For me, electrical appliances too. The saving will always come right back to you. You save big money, you'll save big money when you shop Menards. Ah, yes, the famous jingle.
You hear that? What you sing?
No, same single.
He sang the whole.
I thought he was one that was like my son's.
He's sing the whole song. He knows the whole. He could sing the whole.
Thank you, Menards, for playing the jingle. And you know where we are, Emily. That's right. We're at
Menards in Lincoln.
on the north side of town.
Yeah.
And this is a brand new elevator installed in 2022.
Cool.
It's a Schumacher.
Mark, you don't want to get the. You might have to put the cart in the elevator.
It'll fit in there. That's fine. My Highland gal can't. She can't get out like that.
Here, Joey, go film it.
This is a Schumacher. PTO-SES.
You might have to go into the cart.
There's plenty of it. I'll get back. Plenty of room in.
All right, let's hop in the elevator. Oh,
You're good.
all right. 2, listen to this new motor, Emily. Here we go.
Cool.
That makes it go up. That makes it go up.
Yep, going up.
Oops, that makes it go
1,500
up.
pounds weight capacity.
4,500.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think about that motor?
Yeah, it's cool.
All right, let's down to 1.
It holds a lot of people. Oh, 4,500, 4,500. That's a lot. That's
That's a lot.
like 12 people in here.
Look at
At
this.
least.
Look at this cab, Emily. They advertisements in the cab.
Yeah, it's cool.
The year fixtures, PTO-SES.
Yep.
There's a certificate.
Yeah.
It's a Schumacher.
Find the right grill. Find add to your garden.
All right.
Get your tools organized. Add warmth and comfort. Lots of
All right.
advertising in there.
Okay, Mom.
Cool.
Now watch your clothes. And there goes the elevator. And we say now, that's it.
Yep, that's it. Have a good day.
And you say big money at.
Yep, save big money. Save big
At-
money when you shop Menards.
You pulled your back?
That was the first meetup.
Like the jingle was saying.
Yeah.
Jeffrey?
It's right
Say that's it.
I
there.
think
Kind of in the background.
Say that's it.
that's it, Jeffrey. Okay.
Say that's
Are we
it.
going to McDonald's or are we going inside the store? Say
Let me
hi.
out. Let me out.
Hey, you go McDonald's now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I can't get out.
No, you're staying there for now.
Why?
Wait. You go out and get to the doors, okay? Not
Yeah.
So
I have 2 friends, lady
So
friends that
this
work.
was
now too.
yes.
Yeah, I know.
This was day K2J.
Those are pretty.
Is Northwest
Butterflies.
Indiana elevators.
On the pillow. That's cool.
His name is Jay. Came from all the way from Indiana.
Yeah.
He's on the wheelchair and is Jay's Ryan's dad.
Yeah.
Was
Look at
so
all the flowers they got up here.
yeah.
Purple and pink and blue.
Yeah, I've planted flowers for my
Bees and butterfly flowers.
I've planted pink flowers for my aunt, and they died on me.
Lilies and daffodils and
With so-
irises.
My flower died on
Lots
me.
of flowers.
Mark wanted to plant more flowers, but I was worried that my flowers would die on me.
I guess I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, it's hard to, especially if they're outside.
With-
Wind can mess them up, too much sun, too much
I
rain.
hope you-
Okay.
Heat can dry them out.
Mark, we didn't buy anything. Can we just get the kids out and go?
Woo! Dinosaurs, lots of.
I hope you enjoyed this first Menards video with Emily.
Yeah, I kill the orchids.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Yep.
With So
Thanks.
Dami said, say
Yep.
end the video. With So Dami
Yep.
said,
See you next time. Goodbye.
bye.
Have a good day.